guys, this is RC car driving number 4, and happy Father's Day. We're making this on Father's Day, but it's probably going to come out like next week or something.
Maybe 2 weeks. Huh? Duncan, what do you think of axolotls being added to Minecraft?
Epic poggers.
Okay. And now what do you think of the fact that they don't drop axolotl meat?
They should drop, what's it called?
Axolotl meat. Agreed. I just want them to drop axolotl meat.
Hey, yo!
Because the one thing tastier than Arby's is axolotl meat.
Not Arby's, dude, McDonald's.
Arby's has the meats?
Arby's
Wait, you think Arby's will have axolotl meat?
could ask them.
Hey, yo, new video coming out, going to Arby's, which is probably an hour away, since we don't have one in our city. And then asking for that axolotl meat.
You gotta try to.
How about we play Weave? Whoever gets hit first loses.
Oh,
Okay, good deal.
Ear check.
all right, here, just blast it towards us, and then it'll be like pinball.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoever gets hit loses. Actually, first one to get brain damage loses. Oh, looks like Cal already lost. Hey, Duncan!
Damn it!
Ah, Duncan lost. Lame. No, blasted it. Oh, fudge! Duncan, move. I want to see. Hey, yo, Duncan on the jacket check?
You're in trouble. Why are you doing that?
Okay, how about Callum, I have an idea. You ready? Cal, jump the hole. Right? Cal has to send it from here over the hole of death. Wait, let me set you up better. Wow, wheeling. Okay. Send it, Cal. Go. No, that was lame. Bring it back up. Ready, Cal? Just blast it normally. Just blast it normally.
Blast it over the whole deck. The driver ate it.
Wait.
You can take me
Forward.
home.
Oh, yeah, guys. Liam, take it off.
Wait, you got new merch?
Oh, yo.
You even got that summer cut? Hey, yo, larva check?
Yo, mic check?
Hey, yo.
Your new
Lights
Look
check.
at that first
Look at
cut.
big red mark on my forehead check.
Hey, yo, Harry Potter check? Man's got it because Cal scarred him
Yo,
with the
vision
door?
check?
No, Cameron scarred me. A gate scarred me.
Really?
No, mine.
Let me see him. Let me see him.
There you
Give
go.
me that. Give me that.
It's cut in half, Liam.
AirPods?
Hey, yo, show him that AirPod. Show him oh, look at all the earwax on those.
That ain't earwax, that's rust.
Hey, yo. Cal, Liam, $1 to put him in for the video?
No.
Dude, some dude tried to make DIY AirPods. Look at that.
And you landed it.
Where'd he land it? Oh, wow. He really gapped it. Cal, hit the new jump. Cal, ready? I'll go under the new jump. Okay, Cal Bear, you gotta just not hit me, okay? Oh, yeah, I'll put my helmet on. That'd be safer.
Fix the carpet so it's smooth.
Sure. Bug life check. I got my helmet on. I'm ready to send it. Cal's ready to. Cal, you just have to full blast it. Don't hit me. Ah!
Duncan, record. You're good at it. I want to. No. Somebody hold it. I need to show them my karate chop.
Okay, yeah. Got it. Liam. Sure.
Easy.
Liam.
Karate kid?
Easy. 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 Easy.
How low can you go?
Damn it.
Ah!
Send it, brother.
Wait, let me get in. Let's all go under.
I swear to God, he's gonna kill us.
Okay.
With the boys, let's go.
Oh! It skinned my head, I swear! Oh, dude.
Jacob, karate chop.
That was way too sketchy.
Wait,
for
Duncan,
me.
it'd be better from the side view because it will look
Oh,
better.
Sure.
Kyle, don't hit me.
Don't hit me either.
Send it, Broda.
Stick of truth, Kyle. Oh, fuck it, just stick better protect me.
Did he just cuss it?
Hey.
Wow. Nice jump there, Sean.
Duncan, get this content. Liam's gonna. Do it, Liam.
This is gonna hurt. Easy. Ow.
Kyle, okay.
Now I like broke.
Ready? Everyone, Kyle and Liam at the same time. Wait, no, not yet. 3, 2. Ah!
Sus imposter in the
Duncan,
bush?
for the car's safety. For the car's safety. We can't have it getting a head injury. Callum!
You just blasted dirt in your helmet.
Jake, your helmet's gonna get ruined.
Okay.
That's a bad
Are you kidding me? That's a good idea.
It's a great idea, William.
So it doesn't get brain damage.
full of great ideas.
There's the party pooper. It says it's a bad idea to put a helmet on a car. Like,
Where's
bruh.
Record me under the mega jump.
We need to find some. Oh, that is perfect. That bucket.
Here we go.
Because they were flying
No.
straight down.
Okay, our daredevil.
Get that.
Oh. Yes, it has been sad times during coronavirus. We've lost another legend,
I'm gonna hold up there.
Swimmy the mouse. A couple weeks ago, he was in this tire, and then we found him dead. He told me to talk about swimming.
Yo, I didn't think you'd go on a damn essay. Hey, you just say, R.I.P. Mr. Swimmy.
I wasn't. I was talking about how he died.
How he died of ligma?
Callum, send it. Guys, send it.
Ligma.
Send it, Cal.
Yo, wait. Wait, that's pretty sick. Here we go. Time to send it with
Again.
our DIY rotator. Here we go. Let's see it, Cal. All right, it's my go.
Okay, I'll record.
Yes. Cal, you gonna do the best?
No, Cal, I'll record.
No, you. And for some reason they're doing that. Which we should be doing that behind Frank. Oh,
What the heck?
you're a bot.
It turned. Cal, did you get that?
Yeah.
Barrel. Oh, it landed it.
That was sick. Woo! Let's go. Oh yeah. So, I have a story for you.
Hit it from the side. It's
So
your
when
bear.
they're doing
Bear.
Okay, so when I was at Kings Canyon one day, there was a bear.
Canyon from Apex Legends?
No, that's not a thing. It's copied. Kings Canyon, real life, not Apex Legends. There was a bear. I was at Mere Rock. So then, I was just vibing and jumping off Mere Rock. Like, if you were an ant, this would be Mere Rock. This is about 2 feet. So, well, it's like 20 feet.
So how high is Mere Rock?
About 50 feet. And then, run! 25. Okay, 25 feet. I don't know my feet. And then I jumped off Mere Rock like this. I just walked up it and then full send into the water. Of course there's water. What else would there be? No, there wasn't. I jumped off into the water. And then He died. somebody said, "Yo, there's a bear over here, guys." So then I'm like full on Naruto running over there.
Why do you run to the bear?
And then I'm like,
"Hi, Mr. Bear." And then there was a
Then you
log.
hugged him.
And then there was a log like this thin, but thicker, like that, like this thick, the size of this whole thing.
Hey, don't cut it down. We're blending it together.
And then I walked down to the edge of the log. The log was like 10 feet, and the bear was 11 feet away. And I was 1 foot away from a bear. I was really close. And my mom crapped her pants. She was so scared for me. How did you crap your pants? No, it was kind of cool.
And that's how you got the name Cowbear?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. And that's why my nickname's Cowbear.
And his Xbox gamer tag.
Yeah, my Xbox gamer tag's Cowbear. 2915 if you want to friend me. There's a
It's Dickie Hola.
if you want to friend a YouTuber, this my fam is Dickie Hola. That was ugly, edit that out. This is Other Turtles 56. This is Ufatron. Does it have 3009 in it?
No, not on.
Okay.
Hey, this is the end of the video, but if you've made it this far, subscribe and like to this scary man.
Yeah.
Hit the bell.
Hit the
So you know
bell.
when my newest videos come out. Like Terraria that my brother hasn't uploaded yet.
Don't blame this on me, man.
You haven't uploaded my Raw Flesh video yet.
Liam, by the time this comes out, it should be uploaded.
Yeah, well, today is Father's Day and it's still not out.
Okay, I'm sorry, Liam.
Happy Father's Day, people, Zoppoles.
Also, guys, remember,
Subscribe to
Dickie Hola. Hey guys, it's Bob Lincoln, and I just want to tell you to subscribe to Dickie Hola so you can be cool.